everyone, my name is Megan and I'll be taking you through the JIVE app. So if you have an account, you can either log in with your email or your mobile number. And if you have an iPhone, then you can log in with your Apple account. And if you do not have an account, then you can just tap on the register button and then fill in your details, then you're all set. Once you're in, you'll see all the available drivers on the map. So you have 3 options to choose from: private taxi, public taxi and JIVE Drive. Public taxi is a shared ride, whereas the other 2 are private rides. Okay, so once you're ready to make your booking, you can either make your booking for immediate pickup or future pickup. So once you confirmed your booking, you will have a price estimate, and once the driver accepts your booking, you will have his personal and vehicle information as well as his rating. So once the driver picks you up, be sure to give him your OTP number that's at the bottom right corner of your map. And by the way, it also offers in-app communication, so you can either text or call your driver through the app. So once you've reached your destination, you can pay the driver with cash or our cash list features, and then you can also rate the driver. So on the main menu, there's a list of things you can do. You can check your ride history and you can check your profile settings. So my personal favorite, you can share the app with a friend through the Refer and Earn feature and score yourself a free ride. So do yourself a favor, download the app, check what else is there. The app is available on Play Store, App Store, and there's a website.